Her voice go crazy. Her voice go crazy. What? YouTube, we back. Boy, go ahead with the reaction. Listen, we reacting to Laila on the radar. She got 4 songs. Never heard of her a day in my life, but we gonna react to it. Before you get into the video, though, you know what I'm actually do. You already know. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, make sure you put them post notifications on, alright? Let's get right into it. Let's go!
Yes, sir, baby. On the radar, radio plugged in, live EP performance. Laila in the building. I'm gonna step out. She gonna hold it down for a bit. All right, let's go.
Let's go, Laila. Let me hear you vibe to it. Let me see what you about to do.
They call me OD, cause I got AD, HD, stevier than Lacey, wavier than Wavesby. Been dashed like Stacy, been found that shit like Macy's. Crazy, they can never faze me. If you try, then you lied, I'ma be alright. I tilted and turn it, work hard, then I earn it. You listen and learn it, you light it and burn it. They fighting, they corny, they pouring, they snoring. Shooting, I'm scoring, spalling, I'm scoring. They shaking and quaking, cookies easy.
She low key going crazy, alright? I'm not sleeping on you, Laila. You low key going crazy.
Baking like shoveling and raking, that duffel got statements. Fall out adjacent, you piggy like bacon. His dizzy real quick, he get low like the basement. Do you want me? Do you wanna love me like that?
Hold on.
Like that. Do you want me? Do you wanna want me like that? Like that. Do you want me? I wanna love me so bad. Oh yeah. Do you want me?
Hold on. Her voice go crazy. Her voice go crazy. What?
Wanna want me like that, like that. Wanna love you just like that. Wanna love you so, so bad. Wanna love you just like that.
Damn.
Wanna, yeah, like that. It be so bad, things be moving so fast. Watch my soul cast. I hope that this thing lasts. If it don't work, even though I'll be hurt, nothing is forever. You know, time's gonna change, and our lives
I can't even lie. Her voice is beautiful. Facts.
still change, still slow our pace. Time and space, but I can't erase the way I'm feeling for you. You just do it like, you just do it like, oh, you just do it like that.
Damn.
Do you want me?
Do you?
Yeah. Do you want me? You just do it like that. Like that. Ooh. Not my problem. That's
Hold
just
on.
not my problem.
She just teed up.
Not my problem. That's just not my problem. Niggas talking shit. Bitches talking shit is my problem. Niggas talking shit.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Let it came in, this bitch started going crazy. You know, bullshit. That's just not my problem. Let's keep going.
Bitches talking shit is not my problem. My problem. That's not my problem. My problem. That's not my problem. My problem. That's not my problem.
Nah. Yo, it's so it's crazy. This shit is actually tough. It's mad catchy. That's just not my problem. Like what?
That's why I cannot confide in you. Looking within, find sanctuary in my solitude. Now I got the juice, passion fruit and guava juice.
Passion fruit and guava juice. Listen, that shit slap. Okay.
Guava juice, mango juice and guava juice. Yeah, yeah. My problem, yeah. That's just not my problem. No,
hold on.
No, my problem. No, that's just not my problem.
That shit a bop.
Bitches talking shit is my problem. Not mine. Talking shit. Not mine. No. Problem. My problem. That's not my problem. My problem. That's not my problem. My problem. That's problem. When you're talking shit, it goes up and down, round and round. Not my problem. When it goes around, it comes back around, up and down. Not my problem.
Her voice is really valid though. I cannot lie, her voice is actually valid. What's next, Laila? You cooking up right now. What's next?
Show, you know I put it on. I put that shit, baby, tell me now. If you, what do you really want? Baby, what you want? If you wanted it, you could've had it. Now you mad that you can't have it. Call me coach, I'm where the bag is. Bitch, I'm up now, like an hour later. Bitch, you suck now. I'm annihilated, niggas what now?
Hold on.
Front, back, under, up, down. You a fanboy, you a chum now. I like gold up in my gums now. I like good eats, first class seats, and I make beats that go dumb now.
Hey, listen. Laila hasn't missed yet. She has not missed yet.
Just wanna make my mama proud. I'm a Brooklyn baby with that fire sound. All them jealous bitches used to talk down, and they still wish they was my friend now. I'm like LOL, I just make music and I sing songs and I make beats and I love to do it and I'm never stopping like Rihanna said. Don't stop the music.
If she make her own beats, yo, she's tough. She's tough. She got it.
I take you to my show. You know I put it on.
Like,
I put that shit, baby, tell me now. If you, what do you
gotta take a shot for that.
baby, what you want? If you wanted it, you could've had it. Now you mad that you can't have it. Call me coach, I'm where the bag is. Give it all I have. When I'm on the road, you know my mind is in the passenger seat.
That shit a vibe. For sure.
In a 55. I'm so glad to be alive. I'm so glad to feel the wind on my face. The road that I face is unknown. The life that I
And I like how they both, you feel me? Her friends were been vibing, or I don't know. They low key look related to me. No bullshit. But I'm gonna just say her friends, they've been vibing the whole time, haven't let up at all. I fuck with that.
is the one I chose. Where am I going in this car? Who knows? Who knows? Don't you believe in me? I can't believe some I do. Won't you believe? Don't you believe? I should. Don't you believe? I can't believe some. Don't you believe me? I can't believe someone. Won't you believe? Don't you believe me? I can't believe someone.
Okay.
Don't you believe?
She really a vibe, bro. Like, I'm messing with her. Shout out to On the Radar. They always put me onto some new people every time, bro.
Don't you believe?
Okay. Last one.
So serve. All 17 I serve. Drive like GTA, bitch, I swear. Hit you in your chest, cold serve. What's up? These niggas like they cups full of syrup. You can't see the edges reserved.
It's really her voice, bro. I'm really like, this shit sound just what's the word I'm looking for? It just sound good. Angelic, it sound like an angel type shit. I don't know.
You gon' get what you deserve, nigga. I fuck with bad bitches. You washed up like dishes. Come party crash with us. I drive real fast, nigga. Just got my permit, nigga. This bitch started hitting, she burned, nigga. So she basically burned, nigga. I'm not talking but go figure. We can
I won't lie. I won't lie. It's probably the worst one. No bullshit. But all the other ones is fire. It's not even a bad song. It's just probably the worst one out of all these.
Even like your friends, they don't know how to listen to women. That's the problem, niggas be tripping. Fathers talk to your children, cause I don't wanna talk to them about shit. I just like to talk in the mirror. I used to dye my hair ginger. Do you remember last winter? My Uber is a sprinter. We ran out.
Yeah, it's pretty mid. This one's pretty mid. I ain't gonna lie to you.
So we can't print any pictures. I could grill you good dinner. The 808 is the kicker. I'm 17. Sometimes
I'm at it right here, but listen, yo, them first three, she got it. She got it. I cannot lie to y'all. Especially Not My Problem. That's a banger. That's a banger right there. I already know it's gonna go crazy everywhere. That's just not my problem. That's just not my problem. Like, yo, that's too catchy, bro. But let me know how y'all feel about this in the comments, man. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, make sure them post notifications, all right? I'm out of here.